following stolen property has been recovered at the instance of the accused person. 10 LCD or LED TVs make Samsung, Panasonic, Sony, UV, Acer, Philips, LG, Dectron, all worth rupees 4,50,000 approximately. Two two-wheelers, one make Aprilia and the other Pulsar. The process of verifying ownership and other details are in progress. One Apple iPhone, one Sony sound system. Titan wristwatch, all worth rupees 95,000. During the course of the investigation, team members of this police station made efforts and based on reliable and credible information, apprehended two persons, namely Mr. Pundalik Chavan Lamani, aged 22 years, resident of near Starko Bar, Anjuna, Bardes, Goa, native of Gadag-Karnataka, and Asif, son of Allah Baksha Bepari, aged 20 years, resident of near Major Bakery, Tivim, Bardes, Goa, native of Belgaum, Karnataka, who was suspected to be involved in several burglary cases reported within this jurisdiction. Further, both accused, upon sustained interrogation, admitted to their involvement in the housebreaking cases.